Today I'm going to make my garlic parmesan flounder. Take your flounder fillets, place them on the baking sheet. Season the flounder with the garlic, the Italian seasoning, some salt, and the pepper. Sprinkle with some of the cheese. And drizzle it with the avocado oil. Now bake the flounder on 425 degrees for about 5 minutes. Then rotate the pan and bake for 5 more minutes. This will ensure even baking. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe so you can see more upcoming videos. Eating fish is a great way to eat healthy, and it's quick to make. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions or suggestions, I'd love to hear from you. Serve with some fresh broccoli, baked sweet potato, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.